Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sashrik Rajesh. Welcome back to another live trading video. So I traded from March 6th, which was on Monday, till Thursday, which was March 9th. So this is going to be a really interesting live trading video. So this live trading video is almost 1 hour long. It talks about the entry, and I tried a different kind of entry this time. I entered when the stop loss was less, when there wasn't like proper price action. So you guys will see all that in the live trading video, and I explained why I entered too. So this would be a complete package to understand how to trade in the markets. How do you manage overnight positions? What do you see before taking or before leaving your positions for overnight? This is a complete package video, so make sure you watch this video only when you have time. Uh, Other than that, if you guys like this kind of content, if you want more like this, please like, share, and subscribe. I have few important points which I'll talk to you about in the outro. Other than that, enjoy the video. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's March 6th, 2023, and welcome back to another live trading video. I'm in one mood to film a live trading video today, so hopefully we get some good opportunities. Right now, we are getting a good opportunity in the market. All these levels were posted in the market analysis video. So right now in it, the Banknifty is in its important level and it's taking resistance from the trend line. So let's see our plan of action. So the market has been slight consolidation and a breakout. And without like much consolidation, it broke out of its region. So this probably could be a fake breakout to trap the buyers. We really don't know, but if this candle closes below the pivot R2, then I'll be adding my first set of quantities when it closes below this level, because the stop loss is just here above this level. And I'll be adding my next set of quantities whenever I get conviction, maybe when it like breaks the 20 AMA or something like that. But if it starts going up, like it took support right now. So if it starts going up, I'll probably wait for like a retest around this level and then I'll take up a position. If you see the market in the higher time frame, in the 1 hour time frame, it made a huge bullish candle. So let's wait and watch. This is also important resistance. But the market could break the resistance too, so let's be patient about our entry. All right, guys, I can update you when I take up the trade. Right now, the market will just keep going up and down, so there won't be much movement. I'll update you guys when I take up a trade. See you guys then. All right, guys, so this looks like a good opportunity to just take up like small quantity here, because even though after this like big pin bar, um, buyers are not supporting the market and there's still sellers in the market. So rather than me waiting for like just a couple of points, since it's my first set of quantities, I can take a slight risk with it and maybe a better risk to reward as well. So I'll be taking 41,700 to the bearish side. So I made a couple of baskets. So yeah, I'll show you guys this basket later, but right now I'll just execute the trade. So all right, I took 41,700. So I'll just reset this. So yeah, I don't mind if I'm wrong, because my stop loss is just here. If it closes about this level in the 15-minute time frame, I'll exit the trade, and I'll get like maybe like 300 to 500 rupees loss, and that's completely okay. That's less than 1% of my capital. So I don't mind that loss. That's a bearable loss. But if this position starts working out properly, then it's a better, I got it in a better price, right? So it's all about risk to reward. So there's technical analysis, obviously, but if you guys are getting a better price and you're clear with what your stop loss is going to be, where you're going to exit, I don't really see the point of me waiting for this to break out, seeing one red candle, then entering a position and all. It'll take a lot of time. So maybe, but my second set of quantities, I will wait for a clear price action. But right now, it's I don't mind. It is a slight risk, obviously, because probability is not in my favor now. Maybe it's in like 40, 50%, but um, the risk to reward is there. So it's all about risk to reward. If you guys manage that, there's no stress at all, right? Because if you're going to make, you're going to make. So in the last live trading video, we made almost 6%, 7% of our capital. Right now, if we lose, we're going to lose just less than 1% of my capital. So I don't mind losing the trade, even though it's kind of stupid for me to go against the trend direction. But since it's an important trend line, there's an important level here. I think that the market's going to fall. I've been trading in the markets for like 2, 3 years now, so I think I got like the structure of the market a bit. So hopefully this works out. If it doesn't work out, also it's completely fine. So if it closes right now, it's going against our position. We are literally at a loss of like around 200 rupees. But yeah, never add all your quantities unless price action is not clear. Maybe you can add like half your quantities, or depending on your risk appetite. This is a very important point, um, because sometimes, like most of the time, see, right now it's taking rejection from the same zone. So sellers are not letting the market to go above this level. Yeah, but anyway, so most of the times when I like try to take up a trade, before, like when I used to wait for the candle to close and stuff, sometimes the market would fall completely till here, and there's no point of taking the trade till here, right? Maybe adding your second set of quantities and averaging your winning trade is fine, but starting your trade and then keeping your stop loss somewhere here is I don't see the point of it. So I just took up a trade right now here. My stop loss is very small. Uh, so we'll see how this trade goes. Right now it's going against our direction. Um, oh, perfect. On the 15-minute time frame, it also gave like a pin bar. So that's a bullish sign. Um, yeah, but there's no stress about it. Um, this is what I want to show you guys, that like how to trade stress free, because if you guys add like more than you guys are ready to lose, for example, if I am ready to lose like 5,000 or 5% of my capital, then okay, I'll be a little bit uncomfortable. but here it's just less than 1% of my capital, and I'm sure I can like get it later. But if this becomes a winning trade, then it's going to give me a more than 1% of my capital, right? It's going to be a better trade for me because I'll average better and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. Let's see how this trade goes. Right now, it's in our against our direction. Yeah, guys, I'll update you guys either when it hits the stop loss or when I add my next set of quantities. Um, yeah. All right, guys, congrats. So this is the move I was talking about. Um, there was some kind of consolidation and now there's a breakdown. There's also a closing in the 15 minutes time frame, and it gave a huge, like a bearish candle. So right now I'm just waiting for the 5 minutes candle to close below this, the 20 moving average, and then I'll add my next set of quantities. So this is what I was saying. So you can be right and wrong in the market, and it's completely fine to be wrong in the market, but it's not fine to lose more than you're ready to lose. Your analysis could be the best in the world, but if your risk management is bad, then it doesn't matter. So right now, I'd say the first entry, I can't say luck, but like based on the experience I have at least, I had expected the market to come down, uh, but I could be wrong also because that probability was pretty low than the expected probability we usually get. But still, it worked out in our favor. Right now, I'm just waiting for the closing below this level. But yeah, right now I feel that the market's moving slowly in our direction. Uh, So let's wait and watch. I'll update you guys in like 5-10 minutes when I add my next position because I'm sure it'll close below the 20 moving average, or whenever it does, I'll update you guys again. All right, guys. So I gave a breakdown below the 20 EMA, and there's 1 minute left. So I'll just wait for the candle to close. Oh, perfect. So it's also closing on the 15-minute time frame. Let's check. Oh, so there's 30 minutes. All right, so pretty good. Let's just wait for this candle to close. Um, yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this in my previous videos. If there's like 30 seconds left in the candle, it's pretty much assured 90% of the time that it's gonna close below that level. So I'll be adding my next set of quantities, the same thing. So place. All right, so our average is 164.83 and 39.6. Now, now that we added all our positions, this is the first thing we do. We think negative. This is a very important psychological point. We 100% think that our stop loss is going to hit. We need to be ready for the worst circumstances, and the market gives you the best circumstance, right? You can't really tell how much you're going to get from the trade. Well, in short selling you can, but um, the first thing you do is think negative. Think that your stop loss is going to hit so that you're prepared for that. I'll try to make few psychological videos on how to keep the right mindset while taking up a trade, and what are the basics of trading up a trade. Maybe I can make a separate video on that. If you guys are interested on that, comment it down below. Um, the moment, yeah, so this is an important thing. The moment it gave a closing, now it gave another bullish candle. So, and our profits are come down. So this is this keeps happening in the market, right? But the important thing is now that we added all our quantities, I'm not going to lose more than 2% of my capital, which is 2000. So I won't be losing more than 2% of my capital. And if I win, let's see how much. So 39.6. 125.23 multiplied by 50. Okay, so if I win, we're going to get this much, right? Um, let's see if we can add more quantities because I'm anyways going to lose just 2% of my capital. So how much? All right, I don't think we can add any more quantities. So yeah, 6,261 is pretty good. It's 6% of my capital again. Uh, right now, okay, right now it's still going around that zone. So 41,700, right? So uh, if the market stays below this level uh, till Thursday, we'll be getting the entire amount no matter where the market goes. Whether it's here, even if it closes at this region, we'll be getting the entire amount. That's the power of option selling. Like I showed in my previous live trading videos, you guys can go watch them if you want. But yeah, um, in each live trading video, I believe that you guys can learn something new. I'm not making these videos to show you guys my PNL and showing that, oh, I made this much and stuff. No, that's not the point. Um, I'm some random guy, and it's just like I'm sure like many older people are watching this, and it might be like pennies for you guys. But the main thing is I want to show you guys is the process, the what do I say? Like the mindset when you're entering, the how smooth you are with your entry and exits. Um, Fortunately, like the last 2, 3 trading days were pretty smooth, and that's how your entry should be. You guys know the I'm telling you guys this, the best trades in the market don't need much effort. I'm sure many experienced traders can relate, and you guys can comment it down too. The best trades don't need much effort, and it quickly gives you a target. The pretty bad trades only take time, go up, go down. Your best trades, if you guys ever took a trade or if you guys have seen it, the best trades never take that much time. I'm not saying it gives you the target immediately, but it keeps going in your favor, and there's some data point which keeps showing you that you're in the right side. For us, this breakout, this rejection, all these show that we're going on the right side of the market. Imagine like we bought it somewhere here, right? We're like, maybe we are going bullish. We still will be in profit, right? Around this level. But are we in the right, like, are we going to be happy about it, or are we going to keep our minds calm if we bought a bullish trade? No, right? Because uh, it the market's falling and stuff. So it's very important that you're very smooth with your entries and exits, even if it's the stop loss. That's what makes a good trader. It doesn't matter how much you earn or not earn. That really doesn't matter. It's about how much you're smooth with your entries and exit, and how you stay calm even like in the worst and best situations. Right now the market's in our favor, and I'm not getting, oh, the market's in my favor, and I'm not getting all excited. The same thing will happen even if I lose, right? I'm not going to be like, oh, I lost today and stuff. All this happens only because of risk management. How you're going to take care of your money is what is the most important thing. whether it's in the right direction or the wrong direction. So yeah, this will keep going. It was a good talk. So let's see. All right, there's 8 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close. Okay. All right, so yeah, now I just need to manage this position till Thursday. And there's one more thing. Yeah, I don't know when I'm going to trail my stop loss or if I'm going to trail my stop loss. Oh, right now we're already at 1% of our capital. So this is the advantage of averaging your position on a winning trade, or like getting in slightly early with a proper risk to reward. And then if it goes in your favor, your PNL or your buy average would be pretty good um, in a trade. All right, so I don't know if I'll be trailing my stop loss or not trailing my stop loss. We'll see about that. It's too early to decide whether we're going to trail or not. Um, yeah, I'll be managing this position till Thursday, and I'll update you guys uh, whenever something interesting happens. Right now, the market will just move up and down. So if something interesting happens, or if there's like a learning point, where you guys can get experience. So I'm sure like you guys will be thinking why I do this. Like you can just separately trade. The point is you guys should learn from my mistake. That was the reason I started this channel in the first place. In literally my first video, I mentioned that we are a community and we need to grow. You guys can learn from my mistakes or my best moments and I can learn from yours. So that's the main point of this video. It's not for showing my PNL, it's not for showing anything else. That's the main point. If I can do it, literally anyone can do it, trust me. So yeah, I'll update you guys when there's a good move. So look at the candle. So it's you need to be on the right side of the trade to enjoy these kind of movements. Yeah, guys. Anyways, I'll update you guys if something interesting happens. I'll see you then. Right now it's 11:09, so maybe less than 2 hours of the market, and yeah, now we're at 2% of our capital, so we're doing pretty good. Uh, if nothing interesting happens, I'll just update you guys at the end of the day or when I'm going to like shut off everything. So see you guys then. All right, guys. So it's 11:51, and the market is moving in the same zone. So I'll just so the stop loss is always important, no matter where the market is, because it's not predictable. The market can move very violently sometimes. So I'll just maybe run my code for the 2% stop loss thing, and I'll just start doing something else. So this is one more thing. You guys don't really need to sit in front of the laptop till 3 o'clock and stuff. You can just maybe um, put a stop loss in or something like that and just go do your work. So I'll just run the code. So here's the code. So right now the code is running. My stop loss is at 1,750. All right, so maybe I'll just make a time lapse of the market, and I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So it's 3:24. There's just 5 more minutes for the market to close. So I updated you guys last somewhere here, and this important level ended up breaking. Like there was a breakdown, and then a retest, and the market kept falling down, and now it's going back up to the important level. This is how our PNL is right now. We're at almost 3% profit. Uh, yeah, so tomorrow is 7th of March and it's Holi, so the market will be closed. And happy Holi, everybody. Um, so I'll update you guys on Wednesday. See you guys then. All right, guys, it's day 2 of me holding the trade. It's March 8th, 2023, and the market's going to open in 30 seconds. Right now, based on the pre-market indication that the market's going to open gap down, which is favorable for our trade. So there's 5 more seconds for the market to open. Right, the market open here. And this is our profit right now. We're at a profit of almost 5% of our capital. The market opened at an important level. So if this level breaks down, then we can see a big bearish movement to the market. If it takes support over here in the 15-minute time frame, then the market would likely move up. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Right now, it's just about managing this position. I'm planning to exit the trade when this LTP goes to, so right now it's 27, right? If it goes to a single digit, I'm planning to exit the trade. So let's see. And we have, I think, just 1,000 more rupees. Like the potential of the trade to work out in our favor is just 1,000 more rupees. So I might also trail my stop loss to I think 4,300 maybe. So I'll give like 1,000 rupees space as well. So that it becomes like a 1:1 trade. So let's see where's this. All right, I shorted it somewhere here, and right now the market's here, so we almost got 85%. So if I trail my stop loss, I'm going to trail it to somewhere at this level. Maybe somewhere at this level. But yeah, overall, I'll be trailing it to 4,300. I'll trail the stop loss after the 15-minute candle is formed. So that's the trade update for now. I'll probably create a time lapse in an hour or something and update you guys then. See you guys then. Hey guys, so it's almost 3:08 and the market's going to close in like 40 minutes. So the market was completely against our direction the entire day, and it's almost reached our buying position. So we bought it somewhere here, and it's already reached somewhere there. I kept an alert at 41,350, and I actually went and slept off. The alert did hit, but I just slept off. Who's going to wake up and check the trade and stuff? So let's see our position. Okay, we're still at a profit of 3,000. So this is the advantage of option selling, like always, right? The more we come close to expiry, the more advantage it is to us if it's below or above our level. Okay, so the only decision I need to make now is whether I should cut the trade or hold the trade. So the volatility of the market is at 1.2%, which is quite high. If this was in, so whenever basically what is volatility index is, if this is negative in a high number, the market shall be bullish. If this is positive and it's in a high number, the market is usually bearish. So right now it's in a high number and it's positive. So the market technically should be bearish, but it is bullish. Now, since the volatility is showing that, I can check one more indicator, which is the RSI indicator. So, all right, the market is around the same level, right? So if we check this place and this candle, the market is around the same level, but if you see the RSI indicator, it's falling, right? So this shows that buyers are not much interested in this current movement, but this is a slight RSI divergence. But technically, so these are from the indicators, right? Technically, it reached the end of this trend line. So there would be a problem if we have a gap up tomorrow. It would reach our level. Also, okay, our profit came down. Also, there's one more thing. If you see the candle on the daily time frame, uh, if you see this if I remove all the drawings, if I just show you this candle, it's going to close above the 50 AMA. So that's one more sign of bullishness. So I'm still thinking whether I should take a position, or I mean I should hold this position or not. So yeah, guys, I'll update you guys when I decide, or if I reach around 1,000 rupees today, then I'll just exit the position today. But uh I will hold the position if it's like more than that, because tomorrow's expiry, and if you guys saw the last live trading on expiry, even if the market went against our direction most of the time, we were still in profit because of theta decay. So we can use that to our advantage, and we have the space to take that risk. But yeah, if I'm not comfortable and with this movement, because seeing the candle, it is pretty bad. I shall book my profit, so I'll let you guys know what I do. See you then. All right, guys, so it's 3:21. The market's gonna close in 8 minutes. So I still haven't decided what to do. But I've seen a few data points, right? So if you just consider this market, you'll get scared about your trade because we're going against the trend, right? But if you see the overall market, we're in a bearish trend, correct? And we are now in the important level. I want to ask you guys this. If you're a big player and if you're a buyer here, what would you do? It's like seeing this trend, so the market's going up, slight pullback up. This can't be considered as a putback, and then again a green candle. Will you be able to break this level with this kind of a movement? Probably not, right? You might need some consolidation or some pullback to add to your position, or to stack up your position, right? So this is just no market just goes like this and keeps breaking higher highs, right? Yeah, this was a pullback, but there should be some sort of consolidation for this level to break out. So I'm in that decision right now that okay, the market is going high and we might see a gap up tomorrow, but I'd expect a fall even after the gap up, or at least it stays below this level, this rectangular box, because that's where it took resistance previously. Even though there was a break after this huge consolidation, the market couldn't take the pressure and fell. And then now it's again coming back, but with no. So if it goes like this and then there's some kind of consolidation and breaks, then I wouldn't hold the position. But it now it's just huge green candles after green candles. So I don't mind taking the risk. Right now our profits came down. We were at almost 4% and now we're at close to 2%. Yeah, if there's a huge gap up tomorrow somewhere here, we probably will be in loss. But again, I don't mind losing. Uh, I don't mind losing the profits we have and 2% of my capital. So overall, that would be 4%. So I have a breathing gap of 4%. If this was at probably loss by now or at 1,000 rupees, I'd cut the position because I can't lose more than that, right? Imagine the stock opens somewhere here tomorrow. I'll be at a loss of 3K or something, so I can't bear that kind of amount. But this, I don't mind losing this 2,300 and 2,000 more from this. But again, if we make, how much are we going to make? We're going to make 6K, right? So it's more than a 1:2 risk to reward trade. So I'm in that mindset. And again, like I said, no market is going to go like this, right? There has to be some pullback. And since this day was slightly a trendy day, it moved from it moved almost 1.2%. Tomorrow could be a sideways day or a consolidation day. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm expecting the market to at least be below this level. Right, so that's my plan of action. I'll update you guys tomorrow, which would be March 9th, expiry day. So yeah, that's it. Did I miss any points? That's all. That's what my plan is for now. I'll update you guys tomorrow. See you then. Hey guys, so it's March 8th, expiry day, and there's just 10 seconds left for the market to open. Right now we're opening somewhere here. So it was good that we held the trade. Um, if we check our profits right now, we're at 3,000, so almost 3% of our capital. And just to show you guys, we bought the trade literally at almost the same zone, if you guys remember. And right now our trade is still there, but we're still at a profit of almost 3K. So I checked the Singapore market and the US market, and all those markets were sideways. So I'm hoping that our market would be sideways today and be below this zone. Yeah, I'll update you guys when there is some movement, or if I take the stop loss or target, whatever. Um, I'll probably put a stop loss at maybe 1,000 rupees, but I still haven't decided yet. We'll see. It depends on the first 15 minutes candle. Um, yeah, that's about it for now. So it was good based on our analysis yesterday, which I told you guys. It was good that we held the trade. Yeah, I'll update you guys maybe after like an hour of the market and make a time lapse about it. See you guys then. All right, guys. So it's 10:20, and the trade is going in our direction right now. So the market opened somewhere here, and from that time, the market started falling, and right now it's consolidating. So this is what I'm planning. So I just need 4% of my capital, right? And right now our profit is at 5,400. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stop loss at 4,500 and remain let my position open. So anything after that is just a bonus kind for me, right? Till so my right now my stop loss, I'll be running the code. Right now the stop loss is at 4,500, and the current PNL is around this much. The maximum I can earn from this trade is 6,261. So no matter what, we'll be hitting our target today, and anything after that is better for us, right? So that's my plan right now. I'll update you guys when I exit the trade, or at the end of the day. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. So it's 1:30. We already exited our trade around an hour back. So I updated you guys last somewhere here, and after that, there was a huge bullish move in the market, and we reached close to the day's high. And I'm sure you guys know that I've updated my stop loss to 4,500, and this candle stopped us out, so around 11:30 to 11:40. And this is our profit right now. So we earned almost 4% of our capital.
there was a potential to earn almost 6% of our capital, but the reason I'd updated my stop loss was because 4% is my target, and anything after that is just a bonus, right? So it's yeah, you guys might be right saying that if I held this position, I would have been in a lot of profit by now. But I can only control something which I can see, right? So I see this movement, and for example, if the market kept going up, I would have come to less than 4%, right? So maybe it would have gone to 3K or 2K. When I'm getting my target, I don't want to risk more than my target. That's why I put my stop loss as 4,500. And if that hits, it's completely fine. And if it gives me more than that, if the stop loss doesn't hit, that's also fine. So that was the mindset which I was in. And we ended up hitting the stop loss. So is there like any hard feelings about me holding this trade? Yes, because I could have still earned 6%, right? But that's completely fine. I'll talk more about this in the outro, but for now, for today, we booked a profit for of 4.5% for this week. Uh, all right, guys, I hope you enjoy the live trading video. I'll meet you guys in the outro. Thank you.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that live trading video. So I literally did what I told in the market analysis video. You guys can go check that video out. I said that if this happens near the trend line, or if there's a bearish candle near the trend line, I'll short the market. And that's exactly what I did. So I just want to convey one thing though. I'm not going to short the market no matter what happens. I'm sure you guys would have seen it in the live trading video. My mind is open. That doesn't mean I won't have a view in the market. So what I did in the market analysis was my view, but that doesn't mean that no matter what happens, I'll just short the market. That wasn't my view. My view was based on this. I have a plan like this. So both are variables. If this happens, this will happen. If this doesn't happen, maybe something else will happen. That's how I plan my trades. The second thing is, you guys would have seen that my profit went up till 5,000 or 5% of my capital. And then I was able to only book 4,500. Do I feel bad about it? Probably not. Why? Because this is the mindset I have. Not everything moving in the market is yours. In that case, if you want everything or if you want the whole amount, you should trade Forex, you should trade crypto, you should trade stocks. Why are you losing that opportunity? You can't trade all that, right? You can't put your mind into all that. You can put your mind into only what you've decided to. For example, I've decided that I'll book only 4.5%. Anything after that, it's the market which is giving me. I can't really decide, oh, today I'm going to get 100% of my capital. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to make a realistic goal. Once you achieve that goal, if you have some more space for the market to move, don't compromise on your goal. Maybe put a stop loss or see that you've achieved the goal, and then whatever is moving, you can take that up how much ever you can based on your psychology. Also, I was not ashamed of booking the profit at 4.5%, even though I went up to 5.5%. It's because not every time I'm going to get an amazing opportunity where I can book 6, 7%. Not every time I'm going to get an opportunity where I can even book 4%. I might have to book 3% or 2%. But it's important that I have a view and I have my analysis, and I planned my trade or my risk management based on that. That's all that matters, right? Not how much the market gives you or how much you take from the market, all that based on your psychology, how much you planned, were you able to achieve that? If you achieve that, party only, that's all, right? It doesn't matter. You shouldn't feel bad that, oh, that 2% was remaining. I think that's kind of stupid, right? Because you've achieved what you wanted. Be happy about that now. Why do you care about the other 2%? So this is what I feel. If you guys enjoyed this live trading video, smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video. If you guys want more such videos, comment down below that what you guys want, and also comment it down below what you guys liked in the live trading video and what you guys think I can do better. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.